working from home does have its quirks. Meetings after meetings, it gives you new ways and new styles of creating star stunners. I look for the easiest possible recipe to make a meal that is soul satisfying. Today we are going to create a Greek lemon chicken. Warm flavors coming together in a single pot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we crack this. Of late I've been building content and shooting so extensively that, strange as it may sound, I have neglected the meals of the family. So a tray bake is my way of saving grace out here. Into a tray goes in 1 red onions, roughly scattered. On top of that goes in 600 grams of sweet potato dices cut into the largest chunks possible. We're just going to scatter it all around. Spicing this up with some celery sea salt, a fine sprinkle. On top of that, nearly 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, just to flavor this and scent it. Don't be alarmed with the pepper, it works its magic through and through. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, just to scent it and bring out its earthy aromas. A kg of chicken legs, bone in and skin on, leg and thigh both together, just nestles right in between. It gets spiced from below and has another spicing right on top. With that nestled, now I'm going to give you a herby marination that redefines a Greek lemon chicken. So about 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary going into a bowl with 12 cloves of garlic finely minced, the rind of a lemon to give out all those essential oils, a heaped tablespoon of dehydrated oregano, the juice of 2 limes, and finally an overload of some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going nearly 30-40 mils just to create that perfect marinade. Season with some celery sea salt, and we're just going to lightly mix it all up together. You don't need to do too much. It's about pouring all this on top of the chicken. Lightly drizzle it on top on each of those pieces so it has a different marinade on top and it gets subtly flavored with the pepper and nutmeg from within. Now you can add 50 mils or 100 mils of chicken stock into the pan, or like me, I've taken the brine of the olive because I love that flavor, and I'm just going to put it loosely down at the base. This keeps the chicken moist and gives it that sheer succulence through and through. And finally, a sprinkling of some sumac going on top of the chicken is all that's required to dunk this into the oven. At 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Easy, simple, stylish, and more importantly, my work is done. 45 minutes of allowing this to bake to perfection. I left it in 5 minutes more because I wanted that crust to come through really well. This gorgeous creation is ready to be garnished and enjoyed. Sizzling to perfection. Now is the time to give it an overload either of some parsley or some regular cilantro or coriander. Just sprinkle this burst of freshness on top, and it's time to add olives, making this the perfect Greek wonder. Just a handful of some green olives. You can use black olives or Kalamata olives and create this style perfectly well. I'm going to pair this lovely Greek style lemon oregano chicken tray bake with a very simple arugula and tomato salad, making it a wholesome, nutritious meal. You can also style this up by adding cauliflower florets, or even just go right ahead and use any vegetable that you have left over. Some zucchini works wonders in this bake as well. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed always.